Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes. Yo soy la señora Plummer y seré tu maestra de español por el curso lectivo 2020-2021. Hi and welcome. My name is Miss Plummer and I will be your Spanish teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. On your screen, you can see just a quick overview of what the eClass page looks like. If you log into your eClass page, this is an example of my AP Spanish class. You will see the teacher info tab where you can contact me via email or via phone, my phone number. My office hours, which is every Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And these two links are the sessions that we will have on August 7th for you to meet me via Zoom. So if you will be attending session 1 that starts from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., you click on the first link. Or if you're interested in session 2 that begins at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., you click on the second link. Scrolling down on the eClass landing page, you will see this week's agenda. This is where you will find instructions along with the corresponding date for what we will be doing each week, day by day. And below that, you will see our syllabus. This is a very interactive and fun page that will allow you to access my contact information, learning resources we will be using this school year, which includes Voces, Quizalize, Nearpod, Quizlet, Flipgrid, and obviously Zoom, our schedule, the grading policy, Zoom expectations, participation, attendance, and if you click right here, you will have access to your syllabus for the course. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys. I'm looking forward to embarking in this new journey. Although we are working digitally for now, I know that you guys will be learning a whole lot, and I'm excited to guide you through the process. Hasta luego.